Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve this equation 1 over a plus 1 over ab is equal to 1 where a and b are natural number, or the LCM of a and ab is ab and AB divided by A is B and B times 1 is B plus AB divided by AB is 1 and 1 times 1 is 1 is equal to 1. Or multiplying both sides by AB, we can write B plus 1 is equal to 1 times AB is AB. Or taking this b to right side, we can write 1 is equal to ab minus b. Or exchanging side, we can write ab minus b is equal to 1. Or taking common b from left side, we will get b times a minus 1 is equal to 1 can be written as 1 times 1. Now comparing both sides, we can write b is equal to 1 and a minus 1 is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1 and a minus 1 is equal to 1. Or taking this 1 to right side, we will get a is equal to 1 plus 1. So the value of a is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. So this is the solution of this given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.